Hello and welcome to my channel Journey 718, and this is my bathroom makeover for under $800. My name is Dot. I am 60 years old and I did it all by myself. Starting with the floor. I purchased this floor at $5 a box. I found it on clearance and I used 3 boxes of the floor. It's a peel and stick, so it was user friendly to install and I love the way it came out. As for the cabinet, this was a builder grade honey brown cabinet. I used this beautiful jasper green on the cabinet and highlighted it with brass hardware, and it looks very good. We took to the top with this Lowe's countertop, which is a marble print, and we used this gold faucet, which we purchased from Amazon. The floral print wallpaper. Might I say anything more about this? Absolutely beautiful. It pulled everything in. Purchased this from Overstock. We used about 3 rolls, about 2.5, 3 rolls of the wallpaper. And we made some changes to the hardware for the shower fixtures. We changed that out to a brass. And also we went in to paint the rest of the bathroom green. Purchased this glass shelf with the brass hardware to hold the candles and bathroom spray. We used the brass towel rack, and we added just some towels and a basket to accent the bathroom. We added some big bold pictures, painted the bathroom door the jasper green, which came out so nice, popped nice against the white trim and the floral print. And I cannot say enough about how this project came out for under $800, and I am very pleased and proud that I was able to do all of this. So here we go. The products that we used the floating glass shelf with the brass brackets for $34. The light fixture was $59. The mirror, it was a 24 by 32 for $69. The floor came out to $15 total. Faucets for the sink was $32. The countertop $229. The shower fixtures were $77. The commode seat with the brass hardware, $49. $13 for the commode handles. The peel and stick rolls of wallpaper was $35, and we had 3 of those. And the total came to $712, less than $800 for this bathroom makeover. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. I'll have more DIYs. I will have more room makeovers, lifestyle videos. Engage, add some comments, and let me know what you think.